Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdiva29. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today because I am doing a collaboration with KatPaperLove here on YouTube. She's an extremely talented girl and she loves Halloween. She's actually got 100 days of Halloween series going on. So if you love Halloween, definitely go check her out and show her some love. But she did ask me if I would do a collaboration with her, and she asked if I wanted to do a tag flip. So I agreed. So I want to share with you the tag flip that I made. I had it on this little ring, but I just took it off because I figured it would be easier for me to share my project. I did use the LDRS Creative witch card die, and I apologize, I did not bring it down because my space right now is a mess. So I do apologize, but I will leave the link in the description box below. So if you are interested in this die or you want to see what the die looks like, you can go find it, okay? All right, so I created a witch hat flip, a flip. It's not really, I guess it's like a witch hat tag flip. That's what I'll call it. That's a mouthful, right? All right, so this is the first one. And as you can see, I decorated using a rosette, a Sizzix rosette. This little image right here I actually found on Pinterest, and I just printed her out on my printer, my color printer, and then I used my brother's scan and cut and cut the image out. Super simple, and it was free and it was easy to do. So that's what I did, and I just thought she was absolutely adorable. And the witch hat does come with a few dies. It comes with this word spooky, and then it comes with like these little square stars, and then it also comes with a spider. So I went ahead and die cut them out and added it to the little hat, and I think it came out super, super cute. So this is the front, and then I just layered the back like this, because I figured since it's a tag flip, this could be used for an actual tag, like to gift to somebody. So that's what I might do, is use it in that way for, you know, just put to and from or a little message on the back of the witch hat and attach it with some pretty ribbon. So that is the first one, and I think it came out absolutely adorable. And this is the second one. And the second one, I had this little I Love Candy, and that is a Lawn Fawn little heart die that I have. And then I stamped out I Love Candy, which is from the Sizzix Tim Holtz set that you can purchase in Michael's this year. And I just thought that looked super cute layered on top of the hat. I die cut out this little ghost from my stash, and I had this word sweet in my stash, so I added it to the hat because I had the I Love Candy, and I just thought it went with the whole little theme. So I think that one came out super cute. And then when you open this one up, I actually did make it into a card, and it just says boo. I used my boo die from my stash, and then I can write in a white marker my little message on the black paper, which is heavyweight cardstock. So really, really cute. So that's the way the card looks, and it will, you know, it can stand up like that. So super cute. And then of course I just layered it with the back with the pattern paper. So really fun. All right, my next one looks like this. And again, I used another image that I found on Pinterest, and I used the sparkly rosette that I had already pre-made, and it has that really fun sequence on the outside of it, some chunky glitter sequence that I picked up from Michael's. Fussy cut out the image with my brother's scan and cut, and again used the spooky, just cut it out of some glitter cardstock. I popped up the spider. He's on a dimensional to give him a little bit of interest, and then I used the little square stars, and I think this one came out cute as well. And this is the back of this one, just plain with the pattern paper, nothing on the back. Really, really cute. And then my next witch hat tag looks like this, and I used the Trick or Treat die from my stash. I used this witch, and this is a corner spider web piece, and then that is a Teresa Collins punch right there, and I just layered everything. I layered all of these layers to create this little scene, and I love that little witch on the broom. She's super cute. And then it just says trick or treat, and I think this would be a super cute tag to put on a gift as well. And this would actually be really fun just to gift to somebody if they love Halloween and they like giving out treats. A tag witch hat tag flip that they could actually use would be really, really cute. So I really love the way that this one came out. And then on the back, it looks like this. It has the witch pattern paper. And this is the die cuts with the view pattern paper that I picked up from Joann's, in case you are wondering. Really, really fun pad. And then my last tag is this one right here, and it just says Happy Halloween. I used the shiny witch. I used shiny gold paper, and I cut out this super cute little sassy witch, and just very simple but cute. And then on the back, it looks like that. And I think I'm gonna have to layer it with a different pattern paper. Oh, I could keep it, but I don't know if I really like that design because it was part of like a tag. But I think it came out really cute, and this will be fun to add ribbon and trim and put it on a gift. So this is my project share. I hope you all enjoyed what I created. Hope this gave you a little bit of inspiration for Halloween. Definitely go check out KatPaperLove. I'll leave her YouTube link in the description box below, and go see what she created, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.